Ja tervetuloa Korisliiga-ottelu Korihait Helsinki Seagulls ottelun lehdistötilaisuuteen. Ottelu päättyi Helsinki Seagullsin aika suvereni voittoon 97-58. Welcome to the press after the game. Korihait Helsinki Seagulls, and it was Helsinki Seagulls which beat Korihait 97-58. Aloitetaan pelaajista. Lassi Nikkarinen, melko suvereni näytös teitä, vai?
Joo, kyllä mun mielestä puolustettiin eka 5 minuuttia lukuun ottamatta tosi hyvin ja sitä kautta päästiin hyökkään. Tevin pisti hyvin kolmoseen sisään, mikä auttoi tietenkin.
Taisi olla 5 vai 6 kolkkia ekalla puolikkaalla. Ensimmäinen 5 minuuttia Korihait oli mukana, sen jälkeen ainakin tällä sivullisen silmään niin nostitte puolustuksen intensiteettiin. Tulkitsinko oikein?
Joo, ja siis ehkä tuntui, että oltiin vähän kaukana vastustajat siinä alussa ja sitten pystyttiin sitä kautta, kun päästiin lähemmäs, niin ottaa asioita paremmin pois, palloskriineistä, mitä he juoksee paljon, niin se ainakin oman silmään tuntui olevan ehkä se avain siinä päässä.
Entä kommentit omasta pelistä?
No ihan hyvä, että vähän olisi voinut heittää ehkä paremmin, mutta ei sen kummempaa.
Ja se kauhean huonosti mennyt, jos lopputulos on toi. Onko lehdistöllä? Mut jatketaan kotijoukkueen kapteeni Bojanilla kommentit pelistä.
Ei mitään uusille. Tästä pelistä totta kai putaspeliä oli paljon parempi joukkue tänään ja ansaitsi voittamaan. Ei mitään, tässä tulee vain motivaatio meille, että mennään salin takaisin, harjoitella, korjata tilanteita ja kasvattaa joukkueena.
Kiitos pelaajat, päästään teidät suihkuun.
Kiitos.
Jatketaan valmentajien kommenteilla. Vesa Vertio, sun kommentit pelistä onneksi olkoon ensinnäkin.
Thanks. I will do it in English.
Oh, sure.
You understand. So, well, we came here remembering we lost both games last season. Here it's not an easy place to play, and I think we played really well, but I think the 40-point margin is too much. I think Korihait were missing a lot of shots that could have been fallen at the same time we made them. So, yes, I think we were better, but I think the numbers are maybe a little bit too much.
You're having a wide bench. You're having 12 players. Everybody played.
True, and we can use that bench. Like we can get many different lineups from that. We can play with the bigger one. We can play with the smaller one. And that's our advantage, of course. And it's also something that the opponent will always be in trouble figuring out what we're gonna use in which game and which situation.
And it seems to me that you're having really good mixed players. You are young, but you have really experienced players and so on. Is it easy to coach to get everybody, happy?
Yeah, we got great personalities and characters in the team. I think in that way it's easy to coach. But then on the other hand, these guys recover from the games and practice really differently. So we got Timi and Rene, who are like 40 years old. They got different body after practice, after game. They need a little bit more time than the young guys.
Yeah, 40 years young, I suppose.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, thanks, Vesa. We continue with Ivan. Seems to me a little bit like that. It was a little bit like an off game. Am I right, or how you saw it?
Well, first of all, I want to congratulate coach and team of Seagulls. Well deserved win. I cannot say nothing to my players. Like I said in locker room. Tough loss, but we lost it against a good team. It's not that we didn't try it. We tried, but that it didn't go very well for us today. I told them like usually in the win we have 24 hours to celebrate. In 24 hours about the loss, and we turn to our next game to Cobra to prepare good for that game and to go there to give our maximum to win the game.
What do you think was the main reasons or things that hurt most?
Defeat hurts the most, but main things I think energetically they were in second and beginning of the third quarter. The team of Seagulls came really hard, and we didn't have an answer for that kind of defense. Also, like coach said, they are pretty versatile team. You never know what you can expect from them, but that's it. It is what it is for today. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if you're looking at big picture, fourth game, 3 wins and 1 loss. How you saw this the beginning of the season?
Well, I am satisfied. I would like if I say that I'm not. After our third win, people start to talk like only undefeated team. Of course, defeats will come. We try to stay with 2 feet humble on the ground and to go game by game to play as better as we can, and we'll see how it can go.
Okay, if there's any questions, thank you, coaches.
Thanks.